How exactly do you conduct audience research and analysis? That's what I'm going to be breaking down in this video. Practical ways to gather data on your target market. Now, the information you need to be looking out for is one thing you should know, because it's one thing to conduct audience research and analysis. It's another thing to get the proper information. So here are a couple of things you should look out for when conducting audience research and analysis. The first thing is, who are they? Who are these people? These are their demographics. What's the age range of these people? What is the gender of your target customers? Where do they live? What's their occupation? And so on. You need to know who these people are so that you can create products or services that serve them. The next thing is, how do they describe themselves? Oh, I'm a stay-at-home mom. Oh, I'm a 9-to-5er. Oh, I'm a small business owner. Oh, I'm a social media manager, right? How do they describe themselves? Oh, I'm a toddler mom. You need to know how these people describe themselves so you can use their language when communicating with them or communicating to them. It makes it easier for them to stop, for you to grab their attention and actually get them to pay attention to your message. Next up, you need to look out for the problems and challenges they have that you are looking to solve. So let's say you're a skincare business. You want to go into the market and look out for skincare problems and challenges that people have, so you can go back to the drawing board and create a solution for them. So just like you can see, this person is like a detective looking out for information. The next thing you want to do, or the next information you want to get, is what other solutions are they considering and what are they saying about them, positive and negative? Because the chances are high that you're not going to run a monopoly. You're not going to be the only vendor or the only business serving that market. So who else is serving that market? And what are the products or services that they are offering? Because your customers are going to be aware of these solutions and they're going to be considering them. They may have purchased them before, and you need to know what they are saying about them. Do they have positive things to say? Do they have negative things to say? You need to look out for all this information, gather all this information, and then you go ahead and use them in your marketing and product development. Next up, how are they describing the problems that they have? So what exact words are they using? How much detail are they going into? How are these problems affecting their lives? You need to figure out all these things. And don't worry, I've got you. So just stay till the end where I show you a practical example. And finally, what are their goals and desires? What do these people want to achieve when it comes to this problem that they are trying to solve? When you know the goals and desires of the people you're trying to serve, you can position your products and your business as the person to help them reach their goals and desires. And that's going to drive them to take action, to patronize your brand, and to become loyal customers as well. Now, where and how do you find all this information I said you should gather? Where do you find this information? The first place is through existing customers. And this works if your business already exists and you've served customers. And this is the best source. You can have conversations with your customers and get insight from them. Why did you make this purchase? What problem were you having? Did this product solve the problem for you? Why did you choose this product or to choose to buy from my business instead of the other businesses out there? You can have conversations with them. You can stalk them on social media. That's one of my favorite things to do. You can ask them for feedback through surveys and interviews to get their perspective, get information from them, and use that to improve your product and your marketing in general. The next place is to go out in the wild. So you can go out in public and talk to people who have the problems you're looking to solve. So talk to people who are complaining about the problems and challenges that you're looking to solve and get that information from them. This is a good place to start if you don't have any customers. Perhaps your business has not launched and you're trying to conduct market research. This is a great place for you to start. The third place, well, I think I skipped number 3. I'm going to have to get it. The fourth place is to search online. So you're going to go on YouTube, Twitter, Quora, Facebook groups, Reddit, and other forums. You're going to search for keywords that are related to the business you do, related to what you do, and then see what these people are saying about the problem and the available solutions. So let's look at a case study for a skincare brand. Imagine that I run a skincare brand and I'm trying to conduct audience analysis. Now, I went on Facebook and I did something. I searched for acne, as you can see here. I just searched for acne on Facebook and I went over to the post section. So this is just on Facebook. And I saw so many posts about acne. I put 2 here, as well as comments under one of these posts. So you can see this one says, I'm depressed and it's not even about money or family issues. My acne face is making me depressed. There's nothing I haven't used. Some people say when I get pregnant and give birth, it will go. My face, I can't go and get pregnant because of acne and pimples. My face wasn't like this before. So you can see all these things this person is saying, and you can get information here. Okay, this is how this problem is affecting this person. You can also go ahead and use this in your marketing. So you can say, are you struggling with chronic acne that's getting you depressed? Have you tried all sorts of things and you've not gotten any tangible results? Are you getting depressed and you don't know how to express it because you're not having a money issue or a family issue? It's just your acne. You can see how you can take information you get from market research to use that in your marketing so that your content resonates more with your customers or the people you're trying to attract. Let's look at this second post. It says, of course I have acne. People stare at me. Of course I have acne. People ask me what am I using for my face. Of course I have acne. People recommend a lot of stuff for me to try, even though oily face like me can't use it. And then the post goes on. So you can come here, you can take this and you can create content that says, do you have very oily skin, especially on your face? And a lot of the products you see for acne are not well suited for you. Are you tired of having people ask you what you're using for your face because they see your acne and want to give unsolicited advice? Are you sick and tired of getting stares from people and you know it's not because you look great or because they're admiring your eyeshadow? It's because they're looking at your cheeks and the acne on your skin. You use the information you get from audience research in your marketing, in your content, in your messaging to make it more effective. If you don't conduct audience research to get feedback or to get insight into what the people who have the problem you're trying to solve are saying, your marketing materials are not going to be very effective or as effective as they could be. And then you can go ahead and see more comments here. Acne is really after me and my money. I've battled acne all my adult life. I know how it feels. The money I've spent on acne, with the money I've spent on acne, I'm supposed to be okay, and so on. So you can see all these comments and you can use that to get information about the level of struggle and the level of challenges that your target market or your target customers are having. Now, let me go and find the third way to get information, and I'm going to come back. Give me a second. The third thing you want to do, or the third way you can get this information, is to conduct research on your competitors and take note of what their customers and audience are saying about their products and beyond. Now, this works whether you're launching a business newly or you've been in the game for a while. Chances are very high that there are already people in that market who are offering products and services that serve or solve the problems you're trying to solve. So you can go ahead and conduct competitive research, hear what customers are saying about your competitors' products, and then use that feedback to work on your products, your marketing, and so on. So still using our case study of a skincare brand, I can go ahead to search for other skincare brands that serve the type of people I'm trying to serve. And then I'll go over to their Amazon store reviews, their website reviews. I'll go to their Instagram comment section, right? And I'm going to look at what their customers and what their audience is saying. Oh, this worked great for me, but I noticed that it left me with dry skin. Oh, this product is so amazing and I love how it doesn't leave residue. Oh, this product worked for me and it was very fast. You want to go and get feedback from what their customers are saying, and you can use that as part of your audience research to improve your product, to improve your marketing, and to just position your brand better so you can serve your customers and get great results for them. If you found this helpful, leave any comments you have for me in the comment section, like this video, and please subscribe to my channel. I break down business and marketing concepts just like this so you can understand them, apply them, and build a more profitable business. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.